is going on YouTube? Rice Krispie 94 here, bringing another mini video. In today's video, we have another Hero Forge mini. This time, not a player character, but the villainous Countess VanRusk. She has more or less been manipulating the events across all the one-shots. And in one-shot 5, she is the final big bad. So, can't have a final big bad without a mini. So I got on Hero Forge, created her up, printed her off in my 3D printer, and now we're gonna paint her. So, color-wise, very dark themed. Obviously, she's a necromancer. So we have some Vallejo black. Now I said I prefer the matte black from Army Painter, and that's true, but this will be a good color for her dress. Because it's not like a flat black like the Army Painter matte black. It's not like a super dark black, but it's a black. So it'll be nice, because then I can come in with the matte black for her hair and her boots, and you'll see that contrast, which I really like. Then, what's become my favorite color of our favorite shade of brown, which is from Reaper Paint's Wood Stained Brown, for her scythe. Her skin tone is going to be Army Painter Boba Skin. I really like it. Especially for darker skin tones, it turns out really well. So her armbands, her little belt, her collar, and the leathers on her book are going to be vampire garments because dark red fitting. We got Army Painter Night Scales to do her actual scythe. Cursed Blade for her necklace and buckles on boots. And this is going to be fun. So I have Cold Flesh here, and I'm going to take it to the spectral flames around her book, and then once it's dry, I'm going to take Vallejo Game Wash, the blue wash, and go over it, almost like a dry brush to kind of give it more of a spooky look, I guess. I've got Dead White for the pages of her book. Excuse me, I'm like joking. The pages on her book, and then her pupils, obviously. Not pupils, just her eyes. But then I'm going to take the flesh wash and dirty up the pages. And then the last two colors we have Gemstone, just for, and it's really hard to see, but she actually has a ruby in the middle of her necklace. And then rocks on the base are going to be Stonewall Gray, which is a Vallejo color that I haven't used yet. It's a light enough gray that I think it'll look good, and then I'll shadow wash the crap out of it. So yeah, that's Contessa. That's the colors.
Alright, YouTube peeps, Contessa is finished, she is dried, and she turned out just how I wanted. So, here she is. Now I guess she's not finished. I don't have her pupils in yet, and I just realized that, so I'll do that off camera. But, very nice little 360 degrees. Very cool. The book in the flames turned out just how I wanted it. I tried to add, kind of see a little hints of blue in her hair. I thought that would be cool, just take a blue wash over it. It didn't really work out that well, but oh well. But I do think her hair is dark black, and then her dress is also dark black. They're different shades of black, and that's exactly what I was going for. Same with the boot. You can tell the contrast, especially right there. The boots are almost a shade lighter than this. I did the shadow wash on the staff, spear, scythe, that's the word. And I love the scythe. That might be my favorite part. I don't know, the book is just... Let me see if I can make the book look a little better. No, because then you can't see anything. You can kind of see it in the poor lighting. The pages look dirty. Yeah, I mean, you can't even... I hate painting light things. I need to figure out a way to color correct that. But yeah, this is the big bad that my face isn't up here. Hi. So yeah, this is the big bad my players will face in the next one shot. Super excited. This is filmed way in advance, so I don't even know if we've played yet. But they are in for one hell of a fight. Even a little sneak peek of upcoming video. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Be on the lookout for the one shot, or if it's already out, go check it out. I'm sure it was a fantastic time, as they all have been so far. And I'll catch you later. Peace.